Namaste everyone. How are you? I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to your channel Books in Bag and you are listening to Soumya. This is part 2 of most expected MCQ series of topic virus. In part 1 we have already discussed 40 MCQs. Link is mentioned in description box. In this video we will discuss some more of it. Here is the first question of this video series. So let's start. Question number first. Question series is 136. Question says RNA containing viruses are called ribobinella, ribovira, option C riboculica, D deoxyribovira. So the correct answer is ribovira. Now what are ribovira or riboviruses? They are those viruses whose genetic material is RNA. It could be single-stranded or double-stranded. There are several examples for riboviruses like Ebola, SARS, rabies, measles, polio, etc. Next question is interferon is. Options are antiviral protein, anti-snake protein, antibacterial protein, antifungal protein. First of all, we need to understand what are interferons. Interferons are group of small antiviral glycoproteins which inhibit viral multiplication. So now we can easily identify the answer, that is option A, antiviral protein. Next question is interferons are synthesized in response to. Options are option A, fungi, B, bacteria, C, viruses, D, mycoplasma. The correct answer is C, that is viruses. Next question. The substance which restricts viral reinfection once animals have been infected by virus is called. Options are aflatoxin, option B antigen, option C antibody, option D interferon. So the correct answer we can easily identify is interferon. Next question. Which one is a cell-coded protein formed in response to infection with most animal viruses? Options are antigen, option B histone, C antibody, D interferon. So again the correct answer is interferon. Moving ahead, next question. What is interferon? Now you know the answer. A. It is secretion in response to viral infection by the cell. B. It is secretion in response to bacteria by the cell. C. It is secretion in response to fungal pathogens. D. None of the above. We know the correct answer, that is A. In response to viral infection. Next, interferons were discovered by. Option A. Zinder and Lederberg. B. Temin and Baltimore. C. Safferman and Morris. D. Isaacs and Lindemann. So the correct answer is Isaac and Lindemann. Next question. Chemically interferons are. We know that. We have already discussed in the previous slide, right? That interferons are glycoprotein. So I hope you will easily answer. A A option is glycolipids, B nucleoprotein, C glycoprotein, D polysaccharides. The correct answer is C, they are glycoproteins. Next question. Against which of the following does interferons act? Option A, virus. Yes, this is the correct answer. There is no point of reading other options. Still we should, okay. B option, bacteria. C, fungus. D, snake venom. No. So the correct answer is virus. Next question. If a person shows production of interferons in his body, the chances are that he has got an infection of. Options are A, typhoid, B, measles, C, malaria, D, tetanus. Typhoid is caused by bacteria, that is Salmonella typhi, right? It is caused by bacteria which is Salmonella typhi. Malaria is caused by protozoa which is Plasmodium, belongs to Plasmodium family or genus. Then tetanus is again caused by bacteria, that is Clostridium. Sorry, that is Clostridium tetani. That causes lockjaw. We know that it is also caused by bacteria. So the only one option left is measles. Correct answer is measles. Moving ahead with next question. Which of the following is formed in host cell in response to viral infection? Options are antitoxins, B, interferons, C, immunoglobulins, D, lipoproteins. Correct answer is B, interferons. Next question, interferon suppresses the pathogenic activity of A, virus, B, protozoa, C, bacteria, D, helminthes. Correct answer is virus. So we can see that interferons are a really important topic, or interferons are important in viruses, and many questions have been framed from this one thing, that is interferon. So make sure you prepare it well. Next question. Fibroblasts are responsible for the secretion of. Options are beta interferon, B, gamma interferon, C, alpha interferon, D, all of these. So fibroblasts are responsible for secretion of actually beta interferon, whereas this alpha has been produced by leukocytes, and gamma interferons produced by lymphocytes. Okay, so remember that beta interferons produce fibroblasts. Questions. Next question, that is 149 series. Hydrophobia is caused by. Options are pox virus, B, rhabdovirus, C, picornavirus, D, herpes virus. Well, the correct answer is rhabdovirus, which is responsible for causing rabies. Okay, and also causes vesicular stomatis in cattle and horses. They are vertebrates. So rhabdovirus is responsible for hydrophobia. Whereas what is picornavirus? Picornavirus is non-enveloped RNA virus, and it is positive strand, single-stranded RNA virus. And the best example for this is enterovirus, which belongs to this family. Okay, and enterovirus is very specialized to reside in stomach, as it can easily resist the gastric acid. So it is generally found in stomach, okay, and causes disease there. So the next question is, yes, this is match the column sort of thing. Okay, so we have two columns, column A and column B. terms are given in column A and in B description is given. Column A contain virus, plasmid, cyanophage and prion, whereas column B contain P, QRS options where P is infectious small proteins, Q is infectious particle with nucleic acid core and protein coat, R is small circle of bacterial DNA, S is infectious agent on blue-green algae. So we have to choose the correct one, match the column, right? Okay, so let's see virus. Hmm. Virus, for virus, I think infectious Q will be correct. That is this one. Infectious particle with nucleic acid core and protein coat. Then for plasmid, what are plasmid? They are small circle of bacterial DNA. Yeah, they are actually bacterial DNA, small circles. Okay. Then cyanophage, what are actually cyanophage? Cyanophage are infectious agent on blue-green algae. Yeah, we know that. Those viruses which attack or whose host is blue-green algae are cyanophages. Then what are prions? Prions are infectious small proteins. Okay, so we can easily see that for this question the correct match is B, option B. Yeah. So the next question is potato leaf roll disease is caused by A virus, B microspheres, C bacterium, D mycoplasma. The correct answer is virus. Moving ahead with next question. Again, this is the match the following. Here disease is given in column 1 and in next column virus is given. So let's see. AIDS has been caused by retrovirus. We know that. Influenza. Okay, influenza, shingles and common cold. These are the options, and rhinovirus. Okay, common cold is easily can be easily identified as it is caused by rhinovirus. Now we need to find a key between these two options B and C. Which matches which? Shingles are caused by varicella zoster virus, very famous virus. And influenza is caused by orthomyxovirus. So let's see which option matches. Option A nahi, B, C. C I think. C option matches perfectly with this. So the correct option is C. Now moving ahead to next question. Vertical transmission of virus in human is through option A, sperms of father, B, placenta of mother, C, both A and B, D, none of these. So the correct answer is B, placenta of mother. AIDS was first discovered in options are in 1984 in America, 1981 in Asia, 1981 in America, 1984 in France. So it was first discovered in this one. Yes, America. It was first discovered in America. It was first seen in 33-year-old homosexual French patient. Okay, first time in America. So option C is the correct answer. Moving ahead to next question. AIDS is caused by, very common question, virus, helminth, fungus, bacteria. Correct answer is virus. B. AIDS causing factors are associated with bacteria, RNA virus, protozoa, DNA virus. So the correct answer is B, RNA virus, as its genomic material of AIDS virus is RNA. Next question, HIV, human immunodeficiency virus, is comprised of a protein coat and genetic material, which is, options are single stranded DNA, B, single stranded RNA, C, double stranded RNA, D, double stranded DNA. So the correct answer is single stranded RNA. Okay, next question. The human immunodeficiency viruses HIV genome consists of, okay, one copy of single stranded RNA, one copy of double stranded RNA. This is single stranded, double stranded, one copy, and this is single stranded RNA, two copies, and two copies of double stranded RNA. So what do you think? Actually, according to me, the correct answer is two copies of single stranded RNA is the correct answer. See, they are very direct questions. That's why I'm not explaining this. Wherever it will be required, I'll definitely explain the reason behind it. So the next question is, prions are infectious agents associated with mad cow disease. The agents are DNA, RNA, protein, all of these. We have already seen in previous question that prions are, proteinaceous in nature. That's why, so the correct answer is C, proteins. The host of TMV, tobacco mosaic virus, the full form of TMV is tobacco mosaic virus, is A. Nicotiana, B. Withania, C. Triticum, D. Dhatura. Correct answer is A. Nicotiana. Next question. Which of the following processes need bacteriophage? Well, we have seen many questions on this in previous video. Translation, B. Conjugation, C. Transduction, D. Transformation. Correct answer is transduction. Next, small proteins produced by vertebrate cells naturally in response to viral infection and which inhibit multiplication of viruses are called interferons. We know that. Okay, next option is antitoxins, lipoproteins, immunoglobulins. The correct answer is interferons. Yes, we know this. Next question is, transfer of genetic information through virus is termed option A, conjugation, option B, conduction, option C, transduction, option D, transformation. So the correct answer is transduction. Moving ahead, Blumberg in 1963 discovered options are A. HIV, B. HBV. HBV is hepatitis B virus. HAV is hepatitis A virus, and HBV is hepatitis B virus and cold virus. So the correct answer is B, HBV. Hepatitis B virus was discovered by Blumberg. Then next question is, which has single stranded RNA? HAV, HBV, Entamoeba ascaris. So the correct answer is A, HAV, that is hepatitis A. Hepatitis A. Next question. Identify the hepatitis virus which cannot survive independently and it requires another hepatitis virus for its multiplication. Options are hepatitis A, option B hepatitis B virus, option C hepatitis C virus, option D hepatitis D virus. So the correct answer is D, hepatitis D virus. Actually, hepatitis D virus is also known as hepatitis delta virus sometimes, and it causes liver diseases. Liver gets inflammation and sometimes it also causes liver cancer. And it requires, which other hepatitis virus it requires, that is also important. It requires hepatitis B virus. For why it is required? For replication and assembly of new virion and assembly of new virion. So the correct answer is hepatitis D require another virus, another hepatitis virus, that is hepatitis B. Okay. Next question. In retroviruses, RNA dependent DNA polymerase synthesis. Option A RNA, B DNA, C RNA DNA, D none of these. Correct answer is RNA DNA. Next question. Now this is assertion and reason type question. We need to first of all find whether the assertion is true or false and whether the reason is true and false, and also we have to see that the reason has to be a correct justified reason for the given assertion. Okay, and here are four options are given. According to it, we have to choose the correct option. Assertion says interferons are a type of antibodies produced by body cells infected by bacteria. No, they are actually produced by body cells which are infected by viruses. Okay, so आपका assertion is false. Okay. Let's see the reason. Interferons stimulate inflammation at the site of injury. Actually, no. At those site where which or at those cells in those cells which have been infected by viruses. So your reason is also false. There is no relation between them. So let's read the options. A, both A and R are true and R is correct explanation of A. No. Both A and R are true but R is not correct explanation of A. No. C, A is true statement but R is false statement. Both are false statements. D, A and R are false. Both A and R are false. That is true. Let's read the next question. Viruses generally enter plant cells only through roots, wounds, stomata, lenticels. Correct answer is wounds. Then next question is Teodyner discovered. Options are bacteriophage, B infectious protein, C free infectious RNA, D free infectious DNA. Correct answer is free infectious RNA. Now what are free infectious RNA? They are those RNA which do not encode protein, and when they are not encoding any protein, it also lacks and lack capsid. So free infectious RNA have been discovered by Teodyner. Next question, the non-living characteristic of viruses is its ability to. Options are A, multiply only inside the host, B, cause disease in the host, C, undergo mutation, D, be crystallized. Yes, be crystallized is correct option. Moving ahead with next question, HIV is classified as retrovirus because its genetic information is carried in. Options are DNA, protein code, DNA instead of RNA, and D option is RNA instead of DNA. Correct answer is RNA instead of DNA. Next question, the agents which are known to cause CJD are A option is fungi, B protein particles, C a class of bacteria, D a class of virus. Actually the correct answer is virus, class of virus. Prions, they are caused by CJD is caused by prions. But what is the full form of CJD? It is tongue twisted disease, which is Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. I hope I have pronounced it right, but if I have not, then please I apologize in advance. So it is caused by prions, which is actually a class of viruses. So correct answer is D. Next question, which one of the following are intracellular obligate parasites? We already know what are obligate parasites. We have seen in previous video. Options are virus, bacteria, slime molds, blue-green algae. So the correct option is A, viruses. Okay, so that's it for today, my friends. We have covered some important and expected questions of viruses with explanation. If you found this video meaningful, then please like, subscribe, and also comment your views. Spread the goodness of sharing by sharing this video to your friends, family, and all social media. Don't forget to check the description box to watch my previous work. So, see you in next video with new topic and another set of important questions. Till then, stay happy and healthy. Thank you so much. Bye bye.